Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Sharma Ji Ki Beti, and I am Priyanka, Sharma Ji Ki Beti. In this video, I'm going to be sharing one of my best recommendations when it comes to beauty, skincare, hair care, because it is one of the best times of the year. Sales are all around and you can grab them on the best deal that you can get. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 of my top beauty recommendations and 5 of my skincare and hair care recommendations. So total 10 recommendations so that इस सेल का आप भी पूरा अच्छे से यूज कर पाओ. Next video, I'm going to be sharing a haul. Wait for that. But आज के वीडियो में let's see all the products that you can get which perform amazingly well and you should have them in your टॉकिंग अबाउट मेकअप. लिपस्टिक की बात ना हो तो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. माई टॉप रिकमेंडेशंस आर गोइंग टू बी दीज एट्यूड फिक्सिंग टिंट्स. ये ओरिजिनली 950 के होती है बट ऑन सेल यू कैन ग्रैब देम ऑन बाय वन गेट वन फ्री. The two shades that I have are Midnight Mauve and Smoky Cherry. These are very comfortable and last all day long. So one of the best lip tints in the market. I have been loving these and मैंने भी ये buy one get one free पे ही लिया था. Talking about buy one get one free, let's talk about eyeshadows, and the brand that I'm talking about are ColourPop. ये भी इस टाइम पे सेल पे जाते हैं अगेन ऑन बाय वन गेट वन फ्री एंड दीज आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आई शेडोज दैट यू कैन गेट. एंड इसको लगाना इतना ईजी है. मैंने वेडिंग सीजन में भी जब भी किसी की शादी होती है तो आई अप्लाई दीज. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट पुट ऑन एनी बेसिक शेड एंड इसको ऊपर से लगा लो. द शीन दैट यू गेट इज unmatched. Okay, so I have 2 shades. One is Ritz and the other one is Frog. So अगर आप ये buy one get one पे लेते हो तो I think these cost you around 300-350 rupees. One of the best eyeshadows that you can invest in and at an affordable price. Another budget find, this Swiss Beauty concealer. मैंने इसकी इतनी bottles ख़त्म करी हैं. Since college, I think this is the only concealer that I've been using and I absolutely love this concealer. I think इस बार सेल पर you can grab them for as low as 190 rupees. So this is one of the best affordable concealers that I absolutely love and recommend to you guys. There's a makeup brand that I absolutely love and would always recommend is Maybelline. I absolutely love Maybelline के products and this one is the Sky High Mascara. Abhi recently I also uploaded a reel in which I showed you how good this mascara performs. Just one coat of it and your lashes literally look so enhanced. So if you need to invest in any mascara, go for this one. The Colossal one is also nice. So both the mascaras I absolutely love. So Maybelline has to be on the list. Now if you notice, I don't do much to my eyebrows because Bhagwan ki den hai. But if you're looking for a natural eyebrow pencil, then this is the one that I would recommend you guys. This is by Etude and this is the drawing eyebrow. This is in a brown color. So काफ़ी natural लगता है. So if you're looking to invest in an eyebrow pencil which gives a very natural finish and looks like your own eyebrow hair, then I would recommend this particular pencil. And Etude House पे like I said buy one get one free चलता रहता है, so you can make the best use of it. Right, moving to body care, skin care, hair care. One of my top recommendations is going to be by Plum Goodness and it is the body oil. As you can see, मैंने ये पूरी bottle almost finish कर दी है and especially since the winter season is coming up, if you have a dry skin like me, go for this blindly. It smells like a cupcake and it's so moisturizing but not chip. Like just get out of the shower, apply this and your skin will feel moisturized the whole day. I think there's no other body lotion or any cream that comes close to this in terms of giving hydration. So this is one of my best buys in terms of body care. Coming to moisturizer, this is the moisturizer that I recommend. If you have a sensitive skin, if you have an acne prone skin, this is gold because as you can see I do have acne prone skin and मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive है. So I have to think before choosing a product. बट ये वाली जो बॉटल है, I have completely finished this up. This moisturizer is so good, especially for the winter season. If you have a dry skin, you will love this. Sensitive skin, dry skin, this moisturizer knocks it out of the park. If I have to talk about a makeup remover, you know which product I'm going to talk about if you have been seeing my videos. This is the Quench Mon Cherry Dissolving Balm. This मैं इसको पूरा ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. It smells so good. सारा मेकअप easily and बहुत comfortably आप स्किन से निकल जाता है. It doesn't irritate your skin. So one of the best cleansing balms in the market, and it's affordable. So 10 on 10 for this dissolving balm. If you have an acne prone skin and आपको pimples हो रहे हैं, especially अभी दिवाली का टाइम था, इतना हमने जंक फूड खाया, मिठाई खाई, स्पाइसी फूड खाया, that the skin had to react. So how I have been clearing my acne, यहाँ पे काफ़ी था, it's just one pimple that's left. So how I have been clearing is this spot treatment by Foxtail. This is the acne spot corrector gel. So just wash your face and then apply this. I apply this using a Q-tip. So I think this is 15 ml. So one of the best acne clearing gels that you can find. Just put it on a Q-tip and then put it on your pimple, and सुबह तक काफ़ी ज़्यादा improvement होता है. As you can see, a lot of my acne has calmed down and is clearing up, so it leaves no marks. Lastly, if you're looking to invest in a lip balm, do I need to say anything? Do I? This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Again, when it comes to lip balm, there's nothing that comes close to it. I absolutely love the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This, as you can see, I have been using for quite some time. इसको रात को लगाती हूँ, and interestingly सुबह तक मुझे मेरे lips moisturized feel होते हैं इसके साथ. So again, a very good investment. Hint, I have also ordered this during this time sale, and you know I love it because I have already restocked this before it gets over. So these were my top beauty recommendations that you can get on sale during this time, and shop the things that you need. Don't get into overconsumption. बह मत जाओ फीलिंग्स में, थोड़ा सा रुक रुक के देख के बजट देख के शॉपिंग करना, and have a good time. I hope you found this video useful, and that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.